Yeah, they pretty much went all the way down to my tailbone. Looking like bye, Felicia. All right, let's go. For real, stop playing. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, first off, let's just talk about, we were not supposed to leave this in for this long, and I don't even know how long it's been, but this is complete neglect. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take this out. Yeah, and I did not record me doing these braids because it was my first time trying to do feed-in braids, and it was a mess. I was rushing trying to get them in for a trip, and this was the results. It was cute when I did it though. It was cute when I did it. I'll probably try to insert some pictures somewhere over here. We'll see. So it's time to remove these box braids. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove all the accessories. So let's go. And you really want to take your time. I don't know why I'm doing that, but you really want to take your time when you're removing your accessories, because these could snag your hair. Like, this is on my real hair. This is definitely on my real hair. So you want to make sure you're just taking your time. Look at what you're doing. Like, this one is just one that slide down, but when you slide it down very slow, just to make sure it's not caught on your hair first. Yeah, so this is not caught, so we're just sliding it all the way down. Okay, so wait, I missed one. These are all the hair accessories I had in my hair. Yeah, I might have overdid it. Oh, but anyways, that felt so good to get all the accessories out. Now we can start taking our braids out. I'm just gonna start from the bottom, work my way up. I am so ready to wash my hair. Like, let me see. If I come up close. close. This is embarrassing probably, but I don't even know. I'm pretty sure it's flaky. It's time to wash my hair. Ooh, did I just try to sing? No, don't do that. Don't do that, not that. Ooh, this is gonna be a mess. Let me pause, because I did not get any conditioner or comb. Alright, I'm back. So I'll be using my spray bottle, the VO5. This one is, I know a lot of people say VO5 do not work for their hair, and to be honest, it don't work for my hair either, but their Detangle and Shine conditioner, the green one, this one actually does work. It detangles my hair very well, and it's only $1. You can get it at Dollar Tree, Walmart, anywhere really. This one detangle my hair. Like the other ones don't do anything for my hair, but this one does have enough slip and it works great. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna take these braids out first, and then we will detangle, condition, detangle, and then probably just twist up each row. I should probably get a plastic bag to put this hair in. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so after I take down each row, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna spray with water. My hair is so dry right now, so I have to really put some moisture back into it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna take the VO5 conditioner, take about that much. I'm pretty generous. This might be too generous. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to split it in half and start detangling. And this is how much hair I lost for this section. And my hair has been up for 3 weeks, so, but yeah, this is how much hair I lost. I mean, that's really not bad for me because I will leave my hair up longer than that. I left my braids up for 2 months. If you saw that video, if you haven't, check it out here. but these braids was only supposed to have been up for a week, so that's why it's a little shocking. But now we're gonna go ahead and twist up this section, and then we're gonna move on to the next section. So nobody was gonna tell me I still had an accessory in my hair. Okay, all right, I got y'all. We got 2 down and however many more to go. Let's do this. This is the best feeling ever. Yes, we're done. Now that my hair is all out, it's time to shampoo and get into our scalp and just clean our hair. I'm starving. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.